Hey guys, this is my bike check. It's a frame. It's a 2012 Fit Mac Signature 20.875 in raw. I love it. I just put it on like 20 minutes ago. So I can say I love it because it looks awesome, but I haven't been able to ride it yet. Stock fit forks, stock fit rum, stock front hub, stock front tire, whatever. Stock headset, animal green stem, stock bars, ODI, long neck grips in green, animal pivot seat post in purple, fit, pivotal seat, I don't know what it's called, stock cranks, premium, can't remember the name of it, but premium cranks, bottom bracket, Odyssey twisted PC pedals. I love them. They held up good. Eastern bidirectional hub and rim. Fit FF tire. Other side. I think it's like a DK half-link chain. What's it called? Gold. And I think that's pretty much it. I'll do a quick hub sound. There's my dog because she keeps getting in the way. Here, I'll try to do a quick hub sound. My wheel is really untrued. I need to get it trued, but I haven't had time. And I don't have a spoke tool, so I don't know how to true it. But that's my bike. I think it's around probably 23.5, 24 pounds. Don't have a filmer right now to do an edit. I will try to get a filmer to do an edit. But as of now, don't have filmer, so don't post any hater comments, please. Thanks. Subscribe, rate, comment.